Hello everyone! Welcome to our first quarter summative test in Mathematics 8. Direction. Write the letter of the correct answer on your paper. So, let us start. Question number 1. Which of the following expressions is the greatest common factor of the binomial 12x squared plus 4x? Letter A, 2x. Letter B, 4x. Letter C, 6x. Letter D, 12x. Question number 2. What are the factors of the trinomial n squared minus 4m plus 4? Letter A, the square of m minus 4. Letter B, the square of m minus 2. Letter C, the square of m plus 2. Letter D, the square of m plus 4. Question number 3. In the binomial x squared minus 64, one of the factors is x plus 8. What is the other factor? Letter A, x plus 8. Letter B, x minus 8. Letter C, x minus 32. Letter D, x plus 32. Question number 4. Which of the following polynomials is the product of 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 5? Letter A, 4x squared plus 25. Letter B, 4x squared minus 25. Letter C, 4x squared plus 20x minus 25. Or letter D, 4x squared minus 20x minus 25. Question number 5. In the polynomial 64x cubed minus 27, one of the factors is 16x squared plus 12x plus 9. What is the other factor? Letter A, 8x minus 9. Letter B, 8x plus 9. Letter C, 4x minus 3. Letter D, 4x plus 3. Question number 6. What expression refers to the ratio of both polynomial numerator and denominator? Letter A, algebraic expressions. Letter B, basic rational expressions. Letter C, rational numerical phrases. Letter D, rational algebraic expressions. Question number 7. Which of the following expressions is a rational algebraic expression? Letter A, x over the square root of 3y. Letter B, 3c raised to the negative 3 all over the square root of a plus 1 raised to 0. Letter C, 4y squared plus z raised to negative 3. Letter D, a minus b all over a plus b. Question number 8. The value of a non-zero polynomial raised to 0 is letter A, 1. Letter B, 0. Letter C, undefined. Or letter D, none of the above. Question number 9. What is the simplified form of the rational expression x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1? Letter A, x plus 1. Letter B, x minus 1. Letter C, x. Letter D, 1. Question number 10. Simplify 5x minus 20 all over 9x minus 36. Letter A, x minus 4 all over x minus 3. Letter B, 5 over 9. Letter C, 9x over 5x. Letter D, 9 over 5. Question number 11. When adding and subtracting rational expressions, my first step should be letter A, to combine like terms in the numerators. Letter B, determine a least common denominator. Letter C, factor all of the numerators and all of the denominators. Letter D, change the operator to multiplication and reciprocate the second fraction. Question number 12. Which of the following expressions is equal to x squared minus 1 all over x plus 1? Letter A, x plus 1. Letter B, x minus 1. Letter C, 1. Letter D, negative 1. Question number 13. Multiply 5a squared over 14 times 7 over 10a cubed. State the product in simplest form. Letter A, 4a. Letter B, negative 4a. Letter C, 1 over 4. Letter D, 1 over 4a. Question number 14. Divide 5x squared over 9 divided by 15x cubed over 27. State the quotient in simplest form. Letter A, x. Letter B, negative x. Letter C, negative 1 over x. Or letter D, 1 over x. Question number 15. Subtract 2 over 3a plus 3b minus 8 over 3a plus 3b. State the difference in simplest form. Letter A, negative 2 over a plus b. Letter B, a plus b. Letter C, negative 6 over 3a plus 3b. Letter D, negative 6. Question number 16. A system consisting of two real number lines drawn perpendicular to each other, intersecting at the zero of both number lines. Letter A, rectangular coordinate system. Letter B, quadrants. Letter C, ordered pairs. Letter D, plotting points. Question number 17. Which of the following is true about the points in the figure on the right? Letter A, J is located in quadrant 3. Letter B, C is located in quadrant 2. Letter C, B is located in quadrant 4. Letter D. G is located in quadrant 3. Question number 18. On what quadrant is 2, negative 3 located? Letter A, quadrant 1. Letter B, quadrant 2. Letter C, quadrant 3. Or letter D, quadrant 4. Question number 19. What is the coordinates of the origin? Letter A, 0, 0. Letter B, 1, 1. Letter C, 2, 2. Or letter D, 3, 3. Question number 20. What do you call to the horizontal number line in a coordinate plane? Letter A, y-axis. Letter B, abscissa. Letter C, ordinate. Or letter D, x-axis. Question number 21. What is the slope of the given 0, 3 and 5, 0? Letter A, 3 over 5. Letter B, negative 3 over 5. Letter C, 2 over 5. Letter D, negative 2 over 5. Question number 22. What is the slope-intercept form of the given equation y minus 3x plus 2 equals 0? Letter A, y equals 3x minus 2. Letter B, y equals negative 3x minus 2. Letter C, y equals 3x plus 2. Letter D, y equals negative 3x minus 2. Question number 23. Multiply 5a squared over 14 times 7 over 10a cubed. State the product in simplest form. Letter A, 4a. Letter B, negative 4a. Letter C, 1 over 4. Letter D, 1 over 4a. Question number 24. Which of the following graph has a slope of 2 and point -3, -2? This is the graph of letter A. This is the graph of letter B. This is the graph of letter C. And this is the graph of letter D. Question number 25. Which of the following graph has an equation of 2x plus y equals 4? This is the graph of letter A. This is the graph of letter B. This is the graph of letter C. And this is the graph of letter D. Question number 26. What is the equation of a line with a given slope is 5 and passing through -1, 4? Letter A, y equals 5x plus 9. Letter B, y equals 5x plus 5. Letter C, 5x plus y equals 5. Or letter D, 5x plus y equals -9. Question number 27. The x and y intercepts of the line are 2 and 7 respectively. Find the equation of a line. Letter A, 2x plus 7y equals -14. Letter B, 2y plus 7x equals 14. Letter C, 2x minus 7y equals -14. Or letter D, 2y minus 7x equals 14. Question number 28. Find the equation of a line of -1, -2, and 5, 3. Letter A, 6y minus 5x equals -7. Letter B, 6y minus x equals -11. Letter C, 3y minus 5x equals -7. Or letter D, 6y minus x equals negative 1. Question number 29. What is the equation of a line of m equals negative 5, that is the slope, and b equals 1, that is the y-intercept? Letter A, 5x minus y equals negative 1. Letter B, negative 5x minus y equals negative 1. Letter C, 5x plus y equals 1. Letter D, 5x minus y equals 1. Question number 30. What is the equation of a line in the given graph at the right? Letter A, negative 4x plus y equals 2. Letter B, 4x minus y equals 2. Letter C, 4x plus y equals 2. Letter D, 4x plus y equals negative 2. Question number 31. Lines coincide, infinite number of solutions. The system is blank. Letter A, consistent and independent. Letter B, inconsistent. Letter C, consistent and dependent. Letter D, inconsistent and dependent. Question number 32. Lines intersect at one point. One solution. This system is blank. Letter A, consistent and independent. Letter B, consistent and dependent. Letter C, inconsistent. Letter D, inconsistent and dependent. Question number 33. Lines are parallel. No solution. This system is blank. Letter A, consistent and independent. Letter B, consistent and dependent. Letter C, inconsistent. Letter D, inconsistent and dependent. Question number 34. A consistent and independent system of linear equation have blank solutions. Letter A, 0. Letter B, 1. Letter C, 2. Or letter D, infinite. Question number 35. What is the graph of the system of equations at the right? Negative x plus 2y equals 6 and negative 3x plus 4y equals 4. Letter A, intersecting lines. Letter B, parallel lines. Letter C, coinciding lines. Or letter D, skew lines. Question number 36. Which ordered pair is a solution to the system at the right? Negative x plus 2y equals 6. Negative 3x plus 4y equals 4. Letter A, 7, 5. Letter B, 8, 7. Letter C, 0, 0. Or letter D, negative 16, negative 11. Question number 37. Which ordered pair is a solution to the system at the right? X plus y equals 7. 2x minus 3y equals negative 11. Letter A, negative 2, 0. Letter B, 5, 3. Letter C, 2, 5. Or letter D, negative 7, 2. Question number 38. The sum of two numbers is 55 and their difference is 7. Find the two numbers. Letter A, 32 and 25. Letter B, 31 and 24. Letter C, 28 and 27. Letter D, 24 and 31. Use the given system of linear equations for question number 39 and 40. The system: negative 2x plus y equals 3, negative 4x plus 2y equals 6. Question number 39. What kind of system of linear equation? Letter A, consistent and independent. Letter B, consistent and dependent. Letter C, inconsistent. Or letter D, inconsistent and dependent. Question number 40. How many solutions on the given system? Letter A, 0. Letter B, 1. Letter C, 2. Letter D, infinite. And that is the end of our first quarter summative test in Mathematics 8. Thank you everyone and keep safe. Hashtag happy learnings from your Math 8 teachers.